Hi, and thank you for joining me in this video where today I'll be covering what I'm going to be taking on safari in my pack. The first thing to note is which bag I'm taking. I'm actually going to be taking my Lowepro 250, which is a fantastic flight and travel bag and is perfect for this trip. I also have a Lowepro 550, which is much bigger, and I'll be doing a review of that a little bit later. First things first then, and most importantly, is the Canon R7. I've got it attached with the 100 to 500 lens at the moment. This is going to be my workhorse on the actual safari. I am really looking forward to this camera's first outing. So let's put that in the bag. Absolutely brilliant, fits perfectly as you can see across the bag. Next thing is lenses. I've got my 10 to 18 lens here, which I'll be taking, and I've also got my 18 to 150. Again, this one is going to be a workhorse. Spare batteries, absolutely essential for a trip such as this. And next essential, memory cards. I have 6 memory cards in total, which will see me for the whole trip, which will be absolutely brilliant. And then let's just close that up a little bit there, because we've got the top pockets as well on this, which is perfect for all the accessories. So I have got here my battery power pack, which will give me so many charges in case I need it. I have my microfiber cloths, essential in a dusty environment. And this is also an essential on such a long trip because I'll be gone for about 9 days. Backup cards. I'll be using this with my iPad connector and a USB-C adapter so that I can back up my memory cards as well. Absolutely critical. I could not imagine anything worse than losing all of my photographs and video that I'm going to be capturing. And talking of video, the next thing I'm going to be taking is the microphone for my R7 as well, which would be brilliant on safari. The strap, I probably ought to get a hip strap or a shoulder strap of some sort, but at the moment I'm just going to take the camera strap that came with it. And I'm also going to be taking the filters because I'm going to be trying, obviously, to get some landscapes, and also this polarizing filter will be brilliant in the glare of the day. And then a little light, just a night light for evenings and mornings, and then you can't have enough cables. And then the next thing that I'm going to be taking is my iPad itself. This bag is so brilliant for traveling. That just slides in there as well. Now, the other things that I'm going to be taking, which aren't going to go in here, I'm going to be taking my wife's Canon R10. We've got her a Canon R10 for this trip. That is going to be really great to compare with the R7. So we'll be interchanging those lenses. After I've done this trip, I'll be looking in a few weeks to be doing a review of the R10 versus the R7. So remember to keep an eye out for that video. And finally, I will be taking my tripod. Now, I won't be packing this on hand luggage. This will go in my main luggage. But the reason for taking this is I use this for stability for bird photography. So when I'm at a watering hole or a hide, I'll be using this to actually just give me that little bit of extra stability. I've taken off my geared head and put my ball head on because that is so much better for bird photography, animal photography, because it gives you that really quick flexibility combined with a bit of stability. And I'm so looking forward to this trip. I've been looking forward to it now for so long, and I'm sure this is going to be the first of many that I'll be doing on safari and wildlife photography. And if you find this useful and you're interested in wildlife photography and safaris, then please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, because I will be making a series of videos whilst I'm there. One of the things I will also be packing in this bag is my little DJI Pocket 2, which I'm filming this on, so I can't show you that at the moment, but that will be coming with me. So I'll be creating some videos upon my return with the images that I've captured and also the videos. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and also check out these videos next. Thank you very much for your time in watching this video, and until next time, thank you and see you soon.